Hey traders, welcome to the PitTrades.com daily report. It's Monday, well before the close of the market. I wanted to get this done. I haven't been trading today. It is Columbus Day in the United States here. That's why we have this just back and forth 6-point range for most of the day. Banks are not open in the United States, so as we said yesterday, we anticipated some slowness to the market. Now, with that being said, this morning we had a quick pop, and then of course since about 9:30 this morning, we've been just grinding back and forth. And by the way, if you want to know what an algorithm looks like on a candlestick chart, this is exactly what it looks like. Just back and forth ugliness, just trading the ranges all day long, and it's really tough for an individual to trade this kind of stuff. You got to wait until there's a direction. I don't recommend trading this stuff. I don't even recommend getting involved in it. Anyway, let's go take a look at some levels here. First of all, news for tomorrow. Tomorrow, October 11th. We don't have any news out, any significant news. We just have bill auctions all day tomorrow. So if you're a note or a bond trader, be sure to watch those. And for levels, if we tend to pop overnight, we may test this 89 to 92 range, which we've been watching. Above that, I've got the 1200 to 1202, 1200 to 1202. First line of resistance on the downside, I'm going to move this up a little bit, that's wrong, is the 1180 area, which we may touch into the close here today. Below that, I thought this 75 area was going to hold. This morning it did not, and I would say that we busted that through that, so I don't see that as being any type of significance on the downside. I think our first range, we have a small range here from last week's weekly close or weekly high, which was the 1166 halves, up into the 1170, this little range right here. Below that, we can get down to the 1157 area, and one I really like is the 1146. If there's a short available, I'll be targeting as a final target of that 1146. Now, we do have a couple of line in the sands I want to bring it to your attention. First, we have this pivot right here that comes into confluence with the 1129 area, which is some lows. Excuse me, got a little allergies. Now below that, I have a level from 1113 down to 1109. If we chop through this, then we're probably going to go down and test the 1095s again and get into the 10 range, and then we'll see if we can go down for the third time and test that 1160, 1168 area. If we go down for the third time, there's a really good chance we'll break that in. So with that, guys, tomorrow no news. It could be just another grinder. This is a light news week. Maybe the market's going to take a little rest after the last week or 2 weeks of just back and forth craziness. We'll have to see. Tomorrow is we're back to normal trading hours and no holidays. So guys, sit on the sidelines. Don't get too jumpy to take a trade. Wait till it meets your parameters. Look for your good targets. Make sure you have your risk reward outline, and just be patient. Other than that, look for our report tomorrow. We'll talk to you then. Take care.